During extreme cold conditions, your boiler may develop a fault. This could be due to a frozen condensate pipe. A common symptom of this would be the boiler may start to develop a gurgling noise, it will fail to start, and if it has a display, it will display a fault code. It's easy to fix yourself. All you need to do is pour hot water over the condensate pipe. So let's get the kettle on. I've got my kettle full of boiling water. I've let the kettle cool down for 15 minutes. It's really important to do this so that you don't hurt yourself and also so that you can't crack the pipe. Most condensate pipes freeze near to the ground. It's simply a case of pouring the hot water over the pipe slowly. Now we've thawed the condensate pipe, it's time to reset the boiler. If the boiler fires up, job done. If not, you may need to give us a call.